Yes, Abundance, they got welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. Today we're going to talk about how to maintain your water UV sterilizer in your water refilling station. Alright, UV water sterilizer is one of the most important parts of your water refilling station. That's a water refilling station machine, guys. And this time I'm going to talk about how to maintain your UV sterilizer. First of all, I would like to introduce to you what are the parts of the water UV sterilizer. First, we have the stainless housing. This is made of pipe, fabricated, grade 304 stainless pipe. This is used for indoor and outdoor application. It can withstand with corrosion because this is high grade stainless 304. Of course, basically the manufacturer fabricated this one as a pipe with cover and with fittings, threaded fittings. And of course we have the ballast. This is the ballast. This is the power supply of the UV sterilizer, and it says here, actually the brand of this one is Martin. This is one of the product that we are using, Martin, and it says UV model UV-6 ultraviolet, and it says not work and work. Alright, I will give you a little bit background. If the light is red, it shows not working, and if the light is green, it's definitely working. And also we have the tube light. This is the lamp, UV lamp. This is the UV lamp. This is the most important one, UV lamp of the water UV sterilizer. This will disinfect the water. Right. Since you are talking about how to maintain your water UV sterilizer, I will give you a little bit background on what is the lifespan. Did you know that there is a lifespan of the UV sterilizer? Did you know that it has 9,000 hours before the UV light expires? So 9,000 hours, that would definitely 24 hours a day operation times 365 days, so that's almost 8,000. so we convert that one to 9,000, so 9,000 hours for the operation. Did you know also that the UV lamp has an expiration, because the one who will fuel the lamp is the what we call this one, the mercury. So you must be very careful in handling this one, because there is a mercury inside that will fire up as a fuel lamp to create an ultraviolet radiation that serves as disinfectant in your UV sterilizer. Right, this is the inlet portion of the UV sterilizer. The water goes in, and the water goes out here in this piping. So this is the UV lamp. So I would like to inform you that this UV lamp will only run effectively during 9,000 hours of operation. So that would be 12 months of operation, 365 days. So after that, there will be no assurance that the effectivity of the lighting or the radiation, the wave light that will create to the with this UV lamp is effective in killing the germs, because in killing the bacteria has the eyes, and it will be ultraviolet radiation with the ultraviolet lamp. So this will be inserted in this housing. So this is the housing. You must turn out the threaded one, and you're going to insert this one in this hole. So one thing also that how to maintain is in UV light. There's also a housing that is a glass housing that is not something like this one. I don't have the ultraviolet housing. This is something like similar to this one, but it is made of quartz. The glass is made of quartz. So in order to have an effective radiation, wave-like radiation inside this housing, you must wipe the ultraviolet housing tube so that the wave light will easily raise to the tube inside this housing. So that is the two important method in maintenance of your water UV sterilizer. Of course, you must also what do you call this one? Monitor the UV ballast, because sometimes customers did not know how to monitor the UV ballast. If the UV ballast is in the green light mode, that is definitely working, and if it's in the red light, that is not working. So that is the most important. And of course, some of the ballast tank is had an alarm. So another tip right here on water process and engineering services, one of the simple tips that takes care of your UV sterilizer. One is you must monitor the 9,000 hours of operation. So after that 9,000 hours, that will not give assurance if the UV sterilizer is 100% working. So you must replace the UV lamp after 9,000 hours, because as what I said a while ago, it has a fuel of mercury that is inside in this tube light. So you must be very careful in handling this one. Do not touch the surface of this one, because it will create a barrier in handling the operation of the wave light, because it's too dangerous also if you are going to touch this one, and of course during the operation or during the power on. So number two is you must clean also the tube housing, similar to this one, but this is just a housing over there, something like this one, but this made of glass, and that is not ordinary glass, it is made of quartz, something like this one. And of course number three is you must monitor the ballast, something like ballast powers that can monitor that your ultraviolet light is working properly. So that's it, a friendly tip right here on water process and engineering services, talking about maintenance of your UV sterilizer. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have not yet clicked the bell button so that you can please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for the notification of other videos that very essential or very important in handling the water refilling station. Thanks for watching the video right here on water process and engineering services.